Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel Hyderabad Blues on cricket analysis. Yes, we have witnessed two good test matches, I can say. Chennai pitch has favored both the teams, I can say. First match, they could win the toss and they elected to bat, and comfortably they registered a victory over India. In a similar fashion, the second test, India has won the toss and chosen to bat, and comfortably we could register a victory on England. This is a memorable victory, I can say. Now coming back to third test now. Third test is not going to be that easy, sir. In this test match also, the toss is going to become very vital, and this match is being played at new stadium. The pitch is not that matured, I can say, to play the test level international level matches, and though they made it international level, but the pitch need to mature. That's what I feel. Now coming back to the format of the game, this is test match being played in the day and night format. The pink ball cricket they are playing. The specialty of the pink ball is that it won't shine much, and getting a swing is also becomes difficult, sir. That's what I can say in the first instance. And the second toss is also going to become vital. Better to bat first, because the pitch is not matured. It will look like a flat wicket with the proper bounce and all. If you can bat first and give a good target to England team, it's not difficult to again win this third test also. Only thing is the swing effect will not be there much. Let us see the wind direction also on the same day. Weather also we need to take. But day and night test match means it is the first time in India for the Indian spectators, I can say. Pink ball means in all respects wicket to wicket may be the bowling. So I feel that there will be importance to fast bowlers. One extra fast bowler will be advantage to wicket. Anyway, India is going to play with the two spinners, and three fast bowlers will be ideal to play this test match. In space of pure fast bowler, I prefer to have Hardik Pandya as a all-rounder capacity. Spin, anyway, Ashwin is going to continue. Other end, Kuldeep or Akshar Patel, they will decide. Let us keep our fingers crossed. Anyway, Washington Sundar is also in good form. He is also a good bat. There is no much difference between Washington Sundar and Akshar Patel. Akshar Patel's performance, if you see in the second test, definitely I think they will repeat him as far as the spin capacity is concerned. Anyway, Ashwin is going to be there. That means the third test we are going to play with Akshar, and Ashwin will be there. In all-round capacity, I am expecting actually Hardik Pandya. This is what my expectations, sir. The pink ball cricket being played at a new stadium. It is a huge stadium, I can say. We don't know till now how many tickets has been sold, whether they are allowing the spectators or not. Even the spectators are actually allowed means the full capacity for even 50% of also crowd they allow means they can maintain the gap in between the crowd and see that the match is witnessed by the proper crowd there, so that the match will be entertaining. That's what my points are. Anyway, the third test is going to be very interesting. Day and night cricket match, a new stadium, flat wicket, and the toss is going to be vital. The combination teams becomes very important. Toss wins means any team should choose batting. With this comment, I am signing off. Please subscribe my channel Hyderabad Blues on cricket analysis, and share my videos further for the cricketing people. Those who wanted to participate in discussion, please mail me on goodluckprasad@gmail.com. I'll repeat, sir, goodluckprasad@gmail.com. Bye bye.